Wow.
Good morning. So today I'm going to be doing the chutney, the cherry chutney, to go along with the roast pork for Thanksgiving. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. This is my son's favorite, my oldest son, and I usually make this for his birthday, so I'm making it as part of our Thanksgiving extravaganza. The roasted pork and the cherry chutney, and he likes the dressing with that and the mac and cheese. So I figured, just add the roasted pork in there and the cherry chutney and everything else that we're having for Thanksgiving, and there, voila, I can kill two birds with one stone. So part of what goes into the cherry chutney is freshly grated.
Garlic.
No, this isn't garlic, baby. This is ginger.
I know.
So ginger. So I'm gonna grate this. I peeled some of it back. Gonna grate this a little bit so we can get that in there.
I like ginger.
Yeah, you do. Ginger.
Not sure why, but I do.
He always has to figure out why everything is the way it is, and I'm trying to. So, it's more like ginger juice, but there is some in there, believe it or not.
Scrape it off the inside.
Yep, off the inside there.
Yeah.
So over here, can you bring that over here, babe?
Want me to get it out?
I'll get it out into here.
Oh, you can. Okay.
I'm just gonna put it right into the pot. Get all that goodness. Over here, I have red wine. I have dried cherries. I have some brown sugar, and then I'm putting the garlic in here. I'm getting ready to also grate some orange zest into here. I am caramelizing some onions, which are going to go into here.
What are you saying?
And I'm going to also put couple of teaspoons of cardamom, coriander, and cumin in there. So those flavors meld together. We're going to let it simmer once I bring it to a boil after everything gets in there, and without the top on, and let it thicken up. And it's going to be a nice, beautifully seasoned and sweetened cherry chutney. So
Cherry chutney.
cherry chutney. We'll come back and let you see what it looks like afterwards. Oh, darn it, I wrapped up the pecan pie. I wanted you all to see it after it was done from yesterday, but I forgot.
Beautiful.
We didn't do a video for that because you forgot.
Oops, sorry. You all didn't get a video for that.
There's no pecan.
It was a bourbon pecan pie, but sorry. You'll see it on Thanksgiving Day because I'm sure Aaron will do a full sweep of everything.
Yeah.
So we'll be back after the cherry chutney is finished, and you can see the finished product.
Sweet.
Bye.